Hello. In this video, we're going to be covering how an admin would modify website content within the DeltaNet 6 admin experience and the differences in updated workflow in adding and editing website content for your company website through the DeltaNet 7 admin experience. In DeltaNet 6, if I wanted to make changes to my company website navigation, I would go to the admin side portal and scroll down to the website tab and select navigation. For certain companies that had this feature enabled, you would then be able to edit the navigation of your corporate site through this tab. If you wanted to add new pages to your website or modify pages on your website, you would previously come to the preferences and then you would select the pages option on the DeltaNet 6 interface. From this pages interface, I would then be able to scroll and look for various pages that I have built on my website. If I selected edit on one of those pages, that's going to then give me the what you see is what you get editor, where I would then be able to make changes to that particular page that is on my website. So I can see the page content, the style tags, make it visible, and of course, you would then be able to update and save that change, or you would add a new page by clicking the Add New Page button at the top left side of the screen. This entire experience for editing navigation and building page content has been updated and modernized within DeltaNet 7. In order to edit a company website pages within DeltaNet 7, you're going to go to the Website tab and select Pages. If you are in your company administrative role, you will see this extra banner display within the widget. This is your indication that what you're editing is your company website and not your individual agent website if you happen to be an admin/agent. When you are making changes to the company website, you'll see we have all of the navigation updated. Where on the right-hand side of the page, you'll be able to see all of the pages of content that you have access to add into your main navigation. And you would simply drag and drop that page content to where you want it to be in the navigation if you'd like to add or modify your nav. Much simpler and smoother experience. If you wanted to edit a page of content that's on your website, and you can edit any page, you're able to come into this list and I could look for a specific page. So if I wanted to modify, for example, we've got a page here in our system for an About Us page. If I want to modify that page of content, I can click the About Us button and it's going to load up the What You See Is What You Get editor, which shows me all the content that's on this page. I can add, remove, or delete content. I can select if this is a squeeze page, if it has a specific page title, if there's a specific Facebook share image tied to it, and also if this page is accessible only on the company website or if it is a private web page that's only visible to specific users. Additionally, you could choose to share this page of content with your agents. So as you build a web page, if you want to make that available for your agents to use on their own website, you could share that page to their pages system and even give them the ability to edit and save that page as well. If the page should only be visible or tied to certain domains, you're able to see a list of your domains that are connected to the website. And if you want to give it a specific URL, you can do so. And of course, preview what that web page is going to look like before you save it or delete it. We also keep a history of all the different versions of this page that have existed. So if you've made changes and you want to come back and revert to an older version of the page, that will still exist under the page history. If you have questions about adding or modifying your company website navigation or editing and adding web pages, please reach out to support@deltagroup.com. Thank you.